How to fix Roblox Error Code 268 on mobile. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. First of all, make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Let's head over to our Play Store and search for Roblox. If you see update instead of play, then go ahead and update your app. Once done, open up your settings, then scroll below to apps. Here again, search for Roblox. Tap onto the app, scroll below onto storage, and clear the cache if you have any. Once done, head over, then tap on Force Stop on your bottom right, then tap on OK. As you do so, under Defaults, tap on Set as Default, and make sure that you have toggled on Open Supported Links. And once you do all that, restart your device, open your Roblox, and that will fix your problem. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If you had found this to be helpful, then do like and subscribe.